So let us now summarize our topic. In this topic we learned about the 1D array and also the 2D array. Now here I have shown you how can we declare the 1D array in two ways. Now in case of 2D array, you can also initialize your 2D array in two ways as well, like we have done in case of 1D array. You can simply go ahead and try the initialization of the 2D array similar to what we have done in case of 1D array. And right below the video, you will find the helper text to do that. And now, let us summarize the properties of the arrays in Java. Array is basically the data structure. That is, it contains the data in the structured manner. The size of the array is always fixed. Like, we cannot insert new element right after the last element. Never. It always contains the collection of the same data type. That is, we cannot mix float into the integer array, or we cannot add the string into the integer array, and vice versa for other data type as well. And the elements are always present in sequence because each element contains a sequential index that starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2 and so on it will go on depending on the size of our array. And now, apart from all these properties, the arrays in Java contain some disadvantages as well. Because it has a fixed size, so it cannot add new elements in future. So this was all about the arrays in Java. Now coming up next, we are going to explore what are strings in Java.